now we're moving into the last chapter, and that chapter is refit the heed bars, put all the seat and all the bits and pieces back on, and then finally ride it, take it for an MOT. Place the heed in position, one bolt underneath, one bolt to the central connector, and then the other one which will connect with the upper heed and the joining piece, and then a small bolt at the top is clamped in position. Looking nice. Heed on the other side and the upper heed all getting there. Now the little plastic bit that covers the pipes and the seat. Here it is then, finally finished. After all that time, everything's back together. I've taken it out for a ride. Yeah, we've done about sort of 50-60 miles on it, just to sort of give it a bit of a shakedown to make sure that there's no issues. And yeah, it's come out nice. I quite like it. It's lovely to ride and it looks quite good. So hopefully now I can go 50 or 60 miles. Well, look, 57 miles it's done. Hopefully now we can use it and it's reliable. So yeah, roll on. Let's go for a ride. There you go then, that's the end of the Project GS. So Project GS, something I've been doing for bloody ages, and it's just something I've been playing with when I haven't got anything else in the workshop to do. And it's finally come to fruition, and I've finally ridden it. It's got an MOT, it's taxed, it's all legal, and now I'm going to use it because I really like that bike. It rides really nice, typical GS really. Yeah, I'm going to ride it, and I've got some videos coming up where we're actually going to go to places on the bike. There's a few things that I'm quite interested in, and hopefully you might be interested as well. And then we're going to get involved in some more restoration. Going to be a little bit more involved with restoration. Rather than a bike, we're going to do individual bits. One of my next videos is going to be Normus Newark. Going to buy something in Normus Newark. If you're not from the UK, you might not know what Normus Newark is. Normus Newark is an auto jumble for petrol heads, and it is brilliant. We're going there next week with some cash to buy something. I don't know what we're going to buy, but we're going to buy something. But anyway, more of that later. Just to let you know, the Project GS is finished and it's bloody brilliant. See you soon. Bye.